Good morning. My name is Cameron Roseman, and this is Navik Desai. We will be your MCs for this morning's assembly.
Please join us in acknowledging that we live, work, and learn on the traditional lands of the Squamish, Tsleil-Waututh, and Musqueam Coast Salish peoples.
Please join Frank Liu and Sarah Sunergy to the stage to sing the national anthem and school song sung in English.
Hey Cameron, 4B's assembly is about the history of Halloween.
Yeah, I think we might learn about how Halloween originated.
This assembly is all to spook you out.
Please welcome 4B to the stage.
Hey, Vian, don't you love Halloween?
Candy, costumes, tricks, and treats. What's not to love? I wonder how it all began.
Are you suggesting that we use our skills we've been working on in class to research this topic?
Wow, it's as if it was planned or something.
Mr. Moore is always making us KWL. Maybe we should do that.
K? K for kangaroo?
No, K for no, like I know about this subject already.
Then W for Wi-Fi? I can't live without Wi-Fi.
No, W for wonder, like I wonder why you do not know this.
Okay, well, let's see what we already know about Halloween.
Well, I know that it all started 2,000 years ago.
Whoa. 2,000 years ago?
Yeah, it was that long ago.
Keep going with the story.
Well, there were a group of people called the Celts. Do you know more?
Well, I know that November 1st was a special day for the Celts.
Also, to celebrate, they had a giant festival on the night of October 31st. It was called Samhain.
I wonder why the date was chosen.
That's a W. I also wonder why we dress up and eat tons of candy. Why don't we find out?
Wow, this sacrificial fire is huge! We could sacrifice a whale!
Don't be ridiculous. Now that it is almost winter, the cows will have nothing to eat. Send in the sacrificial cow.
Moo moo, I'm a cow
that can walk on my hind legs. I am to be burned alive. Gods love that stuff.
Put him in the fire. The gods will be big.
Goodbye, world.
I'm a big fan of this festival. Samhain is quite the opportunity for us to gather together.
The festival marks the end of the harvest and the beginning of winter. Now that we have collected all of our crops, we can bundle up and try and enjoy the weather. I hope we have enough food.
We sacrifice an animal to they blessed us with good harvest. They're also a great treat for the festival.
Oh no, better get ready because the monster might be coming soon.
Quick, hide in the bushes and put on your masks so we can scare away the monster.
Roar! I'm a monster and I'll kill you all, and I'll eat your pigs, goats, and of course your cows. And I'll also destroy your crops and steal your treasures.
Hey guys, let's get some food. I'm hungry.
We already sacrificed our last goat. You're still hungry?
Hey guys, who are those people? Are they the Romans?
Caesar, Caesar, what do you want, sir?
Go fetch me my salad.
Okay, Caesar.
Look, it's the Celts, our enemies.
We are stronger than you, and we will defend our land.
And we outnumber you. We will not be invaded.
Run! In the name of Rome, we are taking over this land.
This land is under the rule of the Romans. Bow down to your new leader.
Off you go.
I love our traditions, our well-established culture being Celtish. It is quite important. I hope no one changes them.
Celts, listen. I do declare that I will now present you officially Catholic. Your Celtic culture will be changed into a fantastic Catholic culture.
Catholic? I don't want to lick anything.
I don't think we want to be Catholic.
You are fortunate enough to join my beliefs. What a privilege.
What about our beliefs?
If you won't be Catholic, then I'll take you to jail.
Don't worry, we'll still do a little bit of our tradition.
Oh, and I forgot to tell you, you will be all celebrating All Saints' Day, All Souls' Day, and All Hallows' Day.
What are those? Sounds complicated.
I'm a little concerned about these changes.
All Saints' Day is a feast day celebrated on the 1st of November, a day to celebrate all the Catholic saints. All Souls' Day is a day after All Saints' Day, which you get to remember all the Catholic souls. What a joyous day.
I'm not sure this will fit in with our beliefs.
And last but not least, I've made the executive decision to change your Samhain festival to All Hallows' Eve.
Okay, looks like we're forced to do those traditions, but we'll still do a little bit of ours, okay? I guess we won't be sacrificing our cow Bessie at the end of the week.
Oh, son, off you go, the gong washer job. It's a dirty job, but somebody has to do it.
Bye-bye, Mother. I hope the chamber pots are not too full today.
It's been a long day. He left in the morning and isn't back yet.
Oh, my plague. It's spread. I'm too young to die. So much I haven't done. There's an upcoming play. I have to watch it in heaven now. Why does life have to be so cruel? Goodbye, world. Tell my mother I love her.
Oh, son, what happened to you? Rest in peace. Please, God, give him his life back.
Oh, I see your son has died. idea. If you give me food, I'll pray for him and his soul. It is a good deal. I like to bake, biscuit, or any type of treat or cookie.
Okay, sure, thank you. I will give you a treat, but you must not trick me. I am so glad for the beggars that get food and pray for the dead people in my family. It is a truly important tradition.
Okay, thank you. Because of this delicious treat, I'll pray for your son for the rest of the week.
Mommy, 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 mommy.
Okay, I'm coming. Wait. This is so embarrassing. Trick-or-treating at my age.
Yay, unicorn bus! I can't wait to get all of that candy.
Okay, let's get going. We don't have all night.
Okay. Trick or treat, smell my feet, give me something good to eat. Not too big, not too small, just the size of Montreal.
Say please.
One chocolate, please.
You don't just get one chocolate. For such a great song, you get two. There you go.
Yay!
Say thank you.
Thank you.
You know Halloween has a long and rich history. Do you want me to tell you about it?
Oh, I know all about it. Bye-bye.
So cute. Quite smart, too. Never known a kid who knows the history of Halloween. Never.
Wow, what a great history.
What did you learn?
Well, I learned that the Celts dressed up in scary costumes because they wanted to keep the monsters away from their homes.
That's cool.
Oh, and do you remember the sacrificed animal?
Oh, I know. It was so sad. I can't believe he died.
Leanna, what does L stand for in KWL? Does it mean lollipop?
No, it means learn, like when I asked you, what did you learn?
Well, I learned a lot about Halloween and its history.
Happy Halloween, everyone!
I say the first. Thank you to 4B for their assembly.
I thought it was so cool to learn about the history of Halloween.
I can't believe how Halloween has evolved from a Celtic culture to a North American tradition.
I also learned that Halloween is more than just trick-or-treating.
Please welcome Mr. Chen to talk about the book fair.
Oh, howdy. Good morning, Mulgrave. Well, today I'd like to share with you, we have finally decided the opening day of this year's book fair. It's going to be November 24th, but why am I doing here so early? Because today, the book fair, the Wild West, that's this year's theme, Wild West Book Fair, the design contest starts today. And it ends on November the 20th. So remember to get your design templates. So from kindergarten, grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, you are encouraged and invited to submit your contest entries of a bookmark, your favorite design of a favorite book. And for grade 4, 5, and 6, as usual, the book covers. And the winners will win free books from the book fair on November the 24th. This year, we also bring you, the book fair committee is also bringing you a new feature. You've got to, after the book fair contest closes, you've got 3 days. Everyone in junior school, you got 3 days to vote for your favorite bookmark or book cover design in your grade. So we are including 7 more winners this year to win free books. Okay? So as you can see, the book fair has gone digital since last year. And you go to this website, bookfair.mulgrave.com. That website is alive today as of this morning. And you can visit and you can see all the submitted entries from your friends so you know how to vote for 3 days. Otherwise, it gives me great pleasure to announce officially the contest begins. Yeehaw! So go to the library, saddle up, go to the library, and pick up your templates today. Thank you.
Please welcome Miss Mitchell, Mr. Morrow, Mr. Kronk, and Miss Bernstein to the stage to hand out merit certificates.
Do you remember the book fair, what Mr. Chen dressed up as last year? What was he last year? He was a pirate, and this year he's a Wild West guy, so he's going to have a cowboy hat. He's going to look like a cowboy. Good theme and time for Halloween. Fantastic job to 4B for your assembly. Do you know that 4B wrote that assembly? The students wrote all the words for that assembly. Pretty good. It seems like this KWL thing is working very well, and they're wondering lots about Halloween. I always wonder a lot about Halloween, and I learned something today too that I didn't know. So thank you very much, and thank you guys for the work that you've done to help them get ready. It was a great assembly. Well done. I'm looking forward to Tuesday, to see what you look like on Tuesday. From this week's merit certificates, from 3D, Celeste Pecora. From 3H, Cortez Cabral. From 3M, Juliana Chen. From 2F, Jackie Luan. From 2GD, Ava Green. From 2PD, Jerry Zhu. From 1C, Aliyah Bergener. From 1K, Caddy Chung. From, there we go, sorry. Sorry, Katie. My apologies, Katie. From KJ, Madeline Wan. From, sorry, we had a mess up there. From 1S, Brianna Wren. From KJ, Ethan Lynn. From KN, shh. If we could just stay quiet while we do this, that would be great. From KN, Catherine Yang. From KN, Lucia Reisner. Lucia, sorry. From KV, Alyssa Zhao. From KV, Shai Oland. From 4B, Candy Lee. From 4B, Didi Zhuang. From 4L, Yesen Kai. From 4S, Emma Dietz. From 5B, Kate Brisnick. From 5B, Vanessa Liu. From 5B, Bria Leuven. From 5B, Anderson Shi. From 5C, just wait there, Lily Dong. From 5J, Nolan Chung. From 5J, Sophie Yang. From 6R, Sarah Sunderji. From 6RJ, Sandy Tian. And from 6Y, Sophie Shurkat. One of the big skills in life is learning to shake hands, and I love that all of our children look me in the eye, they shake my hand firmly, and they say thank you. That's a really big skill. So congratulations to this week's winners. Well done. You ready for house points? Yeah. Okay, go ahead.
Please welcome Mr. Morrow to the stage to announce the house points.
Hello again. Who is ready to find out the winner of the house points this week? Oh, that was pretty good on the first try. All right, well, let's get right down to business. Are you ready to find out? In fourth place with 1,875 is Churchill. In third place with 2,025 points is, drum roll please, Smith. All right, that leaves Luther King and Curie in second place with 2,075 points. And second place is, let's get a really good drum roll, please. Luther King. That's right, Curie. With 2,118 points, you take it this week. Stand up, Curie. Parents, you too, if you're in Curie, be excited. All right, when it gets quiet, we'll be able to sing the song. All right, I'm waiting. Oh, all right, Curie. On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you. Thank you to Navik and Cameron for being our MCs this morning. Very well done. We have an exciting day at our school today. We have an open house this morning, and we have expected about 150 families coming to walk through our school this morning. So you're going to see lots of visitors. It won't interrupt your learning, but you will see lots of people passing by your classrooms and looking in. It's business as usual, but I just wanted to let you know that we will have lots of people. I want to thank in advance our grade 6 leadership students who will be taking parents on tours, and it should be a fantastic day. Tuesday morning is a late start, and it is the Halloween. So I just want to review with everybody the expectations that you come to school in your costume, and after the parade, we'll all come down and we'll show off our costumes, and after the parade, we'll go back to our classrooms and change back into our uniforms, and we'll have a regular day. So we'll change right after the assembly, right back into our uniforms, and we'll have a regular day. Okay? Have a fantastic weekend, and well done to 4B.